awo nga obudde bukyawo nga tibuna kucha bulungi n'ajja n'abasirikale naye kenyini yali alina emundu yalagira n'abantu ffe tubamanyi abantu mu civilian balina enyondo balina esululu n'emundu n'abasirikale twalaba babiri ba poliisi ng'abalala tibalina uniform naye balina emundu. They were a gang of, I don't know, we call them maybe criminals. Batandika kukuba amanyumba gaffe batukusiba emikono oba gundi wange gundi my colleague was beaten and his eardrums were spoiled. Up to date doesn't hear well. So batukuba nibamenya permanent buildings affair nibasawa wansi olusuku enkoko nali na this chicken I was dealing in this broilers and the layers dinayo farm y'enkoko n'ebintu birala by'amayumba byonna but we just left there with our clothes. So enkuba nedamu ne tukuba they demolish our houses and went away.
Bajja kumachanga bali muleya abamu abaleya balina emundu na bikine n'ennyondo ne batandika kuba mayumba gammwe.
Mayumba gaffe nga tuli mu nyumba twafuluma tugamba naye kiki
ne babasiba emiguwa.
Tukubira chairman n'ajja n'agamba naye mugume okola biki bino n'abataka ne bayimirira bali kubamanyi ekifo mulimu emundu tewali asemberayo. Twakakasa nti justice is not for free. Justice is for money.
Some of us in Kampala, we thought that people in Mbarara justice is not like anywhere in Uganda. Just this because mwazalo omukulembeze twali tumanyi mwe muliisa buti.
Here is worse. Okulala n'ennyanja abaganda
sikulira okulira n'ennyanja.
Uli musajja mukulu.
Yesebo.
President okuva wano ffe tubonabona nnyo okusinga namwe aba Kampala.
Mpulira.
Owulidde so.
Mpulidde bulungi.
Ataka wano bususe. I think these people, this man we are battling with matter is real. I believe that Captain Mugume Gordon is a big man in the State House there.
Bino binsuseeko saba wetangire n'akatangawuzi. Okanja balocha nungoba tuli mu buwambe kakawakawamu banna banda yanna kalama biranga jivuga biwobe.
Mbalamusizaako nnyo mwenajja musinzira okubanga muwagira Media Choice Telefina. Yenze Salongo Kanka Kapita nze ntudde mu byuma eno era nze eddoboozi lyowulira okubaweereza. Ebiwandiiko ebyo byolaba byenkuteerako awo bwe naddamu kubisoma puroguramu eyinza obutaggwa. Ebiwandiiko ebyo bye biwandiiko ebiyise mu makooti ne mu maofiisi ag'enjawulo mpaka mu State House nga bino bigendererwamu okugonjoola enjawukana eziri ku ttaka ly'abatuuze ababiri. Omusirikale agamba nti akuuma Museveni era wa kitongole ekikuuma President Museveni mwe yasibira abantu emiguwa n'abakuba emiggo n'abagoba ku ttaka lyabwe. Emyaka egiyise kati nga na ssaawa eno okuva lyabagoba waliwo nsiko ewaali emmere y'abantu nga waliwo n'amayumba gaabwe nga kati abaana baabwe baabawereka bo bapakasa mu nnimiro z'abantu okufuna ekyokulya. Kapiteeni w'amajjo ayogerwako y'emboozi y'olunaku olwaleero naye ng'okuva mu kkooti yonna zaabivuyisa olw'amaanyi ag'ekitalo g'alina nti era woofiisi ezi zonna abantu bano gye batuuse okugenda okwekubira enduulu bwe batuukayo ate bo bennyini abanyigirizibwa be basibibwa. Kaakati ebiwandiiko ebyo byonna byolaba bwe tunaasoma ekimu ku kimu tetujja kutuuka ku kinyusi kya puroguramu naye byonna nga mbirina. Kaakati wano mu puroguramu y'olunaku olwaleero oyo yennyini gwe kikwatako ne munne gwe baakuba amatu ne gaziba nga kati takyasobola kuwulira baamukutula akawulukutu mpaka na kati musajja mukulu okuwulira kwe taddanga ngulu olw'ettaka lyegulira ye puroguramu eno. Kandeke akyasobola okwogera ate asobola obbabuulira n'okwekubira omulanga eri abantu ba bulijjo kubanga mu mbuga z'amateeka ne buli wamu gy'atuuse tebafunye kuyambibwa. Kali puroguramu katugitandike.
Halo.
Sebo mwasuze mutye?
Bulungi mwasuze mutya?
Embalala egamba etya?
Balala kuma kali mu kutonya.
Muli mu kusimba, muli mu kukola mutya?
Musana gubadde guse wano.
Eh.
So how is Kampala?
Kampala gye tuli. Situmanyi biki bye mutusinze eyo.
Obuwavu bungi. Naffe tuli bubi wano eno.
Ate abalina amata muyinza okubeera abaavu.
Anti amata naye bagatunda sente nusu bisatu. Kati awo waliwo sente z'ofunamu. Bisatu kati ogulamu ki?
Sebo nkulabusizaako. Nsaba okutegeezaako butereevu nti oli ku mpewo za Media Choice Television tulina ensonga gye twagala okwogerako ebakutteko eyo. Nsaba emboozi eno tugenda gikwata wamu naye neetaaga nga ebigambo bye twogera bino twogera ebyo byennyini ebituufu ddala ebitaliiko nti kino na kino. Seba amannya gaffe gwani?
Bampita Alinitwe Saamu ne Idrifua Robert. Tuli babiri.
Idrifua Robert,
yes.
Muli batuuze
Alinitwe Saamu.
Muli batuuze baawa?
Kakiika Mbarara. Mbarara City.
Wamaanyi kyava mu kakiika awo gwe tuyinza okulowoozaako eno e Kampala?
Waliwo nga chairman LC1 wekakiika Seero. Waliwo ne meya bamuyita Edison naye wa Mbarara North. Bona babeera mu kitundu kimu.
Sebe ekitundu ekyo wakigenda mu bugenzi gye wazaalibwa okimazemu bbanga ki?
Ffe twagendayo bugenzi.
Mwagendayo bbanga ki?
Twagendayo 1994.
Mwavaawa?
Twali tuveeyo Bushenyi. Nali ngava Bushenyi, nali nkolera Bushenyi eyo under Mbarara University.
Esebo.
Lugazi Health Center side z'Ebunyaruguru. Gye natandikira. Kati ne bajjale bampa transfer kujja Mbarara ku headquarters za Mbarara University. Kati nange nyinfuna kaloni kasalere loni mpolopolo ng'obimanyi by'ennaku zino.
So wavaayo mu 1990 what?
Navaayo mu 1993.
Okujja ngo Mbarara University kuwadde transfer okujja okukolera ku main campus.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So nojja n'otandika okubeera eyo. Okyakolera Mbarara University?
Sikyakolera mu bangoba.
Baakugoba?
Ensonga ze.
Kati awo tujja kukwatawo nnyo. Nsaba okutegeeza bonna abawuliriza nti ensonga omwami Alinitwe eno gy'aŋŋamba ensonga emaze ebbanga. Ndi mu myaka nga ndowooza kati gisukka mu 5 nga nagiwulirako naye nga sigibaleeteranga. Nsaba okwetondera abantu b'Embarara nti musajja wammwe ono gwe muwulira ate era omutuuze Munnayuganda ajjudde yaŋŋamba dde ensonga eno naye mbadde sigiwanga budde naye nga ffe situwerabira. Kati sebo olina emyaka ng'emeka? Emyaka kati saawa eno? Myaka 53. Baakuwumuza ku mulimo, baakugoba, baakola ki? Ebyo byonna tujja bigendamu. Kaakati njagala twogere ku nsonga eno ey'omusirikale wa PGB. Omusirikale wa PGB ababbako ettaka lyammwe n'okutuuka saawa eno nga mubundabunda. Simanyi oba yeyo ensonga saagala kusala bigambo, sooka ompitiremu nsonga ki?
Kakati genda abadde nakunyonyodde twagula ettaka eryo 1994. Kati tutandika kubeera awo tuzimba amayumba gaffe ga permanent.
Mwaligula kwani?
Twaligula ku bamuyita sergeant naye ali musirikale sergeant Edwin Karegeya naye bamuwumuza bali ba veteran basooka 1992 baba basooka bali babawumuza yali tasomye nnyo ndowooza kyolwo government yabawumuza bali bakadogo kati sergeant Karegeya natuguze ettaka eryo kati ne ali mitwe saamu fenna twatandika kubeeraawo kuvoolwe then around 2003 12 awo ono omusirikale bamuyita Captain Mugume Gordon.
So mwaligula mu 93
1994
nemulizimbako
tulizimbako twasanga muno olusuku ntwongerako olulala tukola ebintu development ngo bimanyi.
Mwaligula ku retired military officer
Karegeya Edwin.
So okuva 1994 mulikolerako muzimbyeko amayumba mukolerako ebintu byonna
twazadeko n'abaana buli kimu kyonna ng'omumanyi omuntu bwagabeera mutuuze omutaka ku kyalo ekyo kakiika seero kati twali tuli awo 23 musirikale ono akolera mu State House yatugamba akolera musenze simanyi naye omanyi waliwo omuntu ayinza okugamba nkolera wanaate takolera nze simanyi simulabangako ono mu uniform naye ayita omusirikale ali musirikale nze mpuliranga musirikale simulabangako mu uniform y'amagye naye kyerabika musirikale waliwo namulabako ne pistol.
Of course pistol eraga nti oli musirikale. That's a monopoly of the army.
Yes, I think he's a soldier. He's a soldier. Although I've never seen him in a uniform, but he's a soldier.
Bamuyita ani?
Bamuyita Mugume Gordon.
Ali ku ddaala ki mu magye?
Okusooka yali babugamba nti ali lieutenant naye ndowooza abasirikale babeera nga babakuza. Kati enkomerero twali tumumanyi nga captain. Captain Mugume Gordon.
23.
Naja na claiming ownership nagamba taka lyange. Tumubuuza naye nga tuluddewo wano nga tukumanyi. Kati wali tumanya nga omusajja asaaga. Enkomerero ebintu byagenda wa chairman LC1 owakakiika mwami Okecho Addison ye chairman waffe ne kati ensonga yazitwala wa chairman LC1 na LC3 chairman. Myaka egyo LC3 chairman yali Lubasimbira Samu bamuyita Lubasimbira Samu LC3 chairman wegombolola yakakiika kati ne bamugamba naye musajja gwe abasajja bano nga baguze ettaka lino ne Edwin Karegeya babazaalira wano kati Karegeya ne ettaka lye yalifuna wa Luzambira yali akolera bukabaka babayita abagabe bankole
obugabe bwankole yali mukungu mu bugabe
1930 something like that 1930s Karegeya yali abeera wano ne Filipo Kamugungu yali LC5 chairman wa Kiruhura ne akolako n'embala wano ku division nga kansala ne bagamba abasajja bano babeera wano nga tebalina enkayana z'ettaka gwani ojjangaani wano n'agamba oyo Filipo Kojaawo ng'agamba naye Kojaawo abeera wano ttaka lyabwe naye ku lwaki tomuleeta nakiraiminga ttaka lino kuba ojjangaani toli mubbi kweri.
So ne Kojaawo yali akyaliwo nga mulamu
nga ne kati sawa zino akyaliwo tafanga akyaliwo ne sawa zino waali kati omusajja twali tumanye ebintu biwedde yavaawo n'aleeta chairman LC3 ntuyita meeting wali mu Fort Caleb mu hoteli yaabwe wano Kamukuzaawo walina hoteli yaabwe bayita Fort Caleb kati yali amanyi oli atuguza Edwin Karegeya yafa kati mukisa mulungi omanyi bya Katonda tobitegeera kati Edwin zimuleeta ntugamba Edwin naye waayo tulina enkayana wano watuguza tagaja ng'onyonyola oba ttaka lya balala njo tudize sente zaffe Edwin najja nagamba ati ani oyo abatiisatiisaawo. Kati twali tuli mu meeting awo Edwin zimuleeta tumuyita najja. Edwin n'abuuza ku lukiiko nagamba lwebasimbira tomanyi nti nkumanyi chairman. Ekyo tomanyi wano nti nkumanyi. Takalire lyani. N'abuuza Filipo Kojawa ono captain Kojawa captain nagamba Filipo. Oli chairman LC5. Twabadde wano ebbanga lyonna. Kati ono aleeta enkayana z'ettaka ng'ani gwe ku lwaki gwe tontwala mu kooti. Nze wanyini w'ettaka eryo nze n'aguza Saamu ne Robert. Nze n'abaguza. Filipo n'agamba ku lukiiko olwo n'agamba naye mugume ebintu by'oyogera tobimanyi. Ttaka ly'aba Robert ne Saamu goba ya Edwin yabaguza tewali musango gwonna balina. Ensonga ezo ntuzimalirizaawo. Owulidde? Ensonga twali tumanyi ziggweredde awo ne bagamba mugume ebyo ebintu ebiveeko kubanga ttaka lino. Edwin n'anyonyola mu lukiiko n'agamba goba mwagala kutwala abantu mu kooti muze mutwale nze naye si Saamu ne Robert. Kubanga nze n'abaguza.
Kati yono bwe yajja mu lukiiko lwe mwalimu ye yagamba yalifuna atya?
Ye yagamba anti we mwanyina wa Filipo yamugabira. Ne bagamba sebo ne bakugabira ttaka ng'ensawo y'ebinyeebwa
nga nnyini lyo waali. So anti we n'amugabira ettaka nga naye nnyini lyo waali.
Nnyini waali kati ne bamubuuza anti wo Filipo n'agamba nti ng'oba mwanyinazi yakugabira ettaka. Ttaka eryagenda akolage mu ttaka lyaffe naye si lya bakalejeya oba ya Robert ne Saamu. Naye ettaka eryo liveeko. Eyo Kojawe n'amugamba bw'atyo. Ye Filipo. Kati gwe omwana ne Kojawe ani awera ategeera ttaka. Kati twali tumanyi ebintu byakola ki?
Nti byaggwa.
Ne baddamu ne bamubuuza nti anti we ng'aba akuwadde ettaka. Yakuleeta n'akwanjulira abataka abo. Ne bagamba nti kati kuva leero ttaka lino lya gundi si lyammwe. Yakutwalayo. Kati omuntu ayinza okugabira ttaka ng'ayimiridde wali wandege yaragamba nkuwadde ettaka wali gundi Kyebando nga tugezeeyo
nga tolina yadde akumanyi.
Ekyo tekisoboka. So twali tumanyi ensonga ezo zikoze ki?
Ziwedde.
Kati omusajja n'avaawo. Tulwawo tuwadde tuli awo tumaze emyaka ng'ebiri nga 2025 awo. N'addamu n'agenda mu Land Tribunal Court. Okutuuka Land Tribunal Court n'awawo omusango. Twagenda mu kooti eyo omusango ne gumusinga. Ne gusinga oyo kapiteeni.
Oyo kapiteeni oba agamba oba wa PGB oba wani?
Yes, wa PGB oyo ya State House. Kati kyakola yali akozesa amaanyi ge ng'obumanyi eby'abasirikale obimanyi. Naye ffe tuli ba civilian ebintu tubikwata mpola nga president yagamba abasirikale muleke kutulugunya abantu ba bulijjo. Kati omusango gwamusinga ne batuwa costs atusasule. Yali tanaakutusasula n'agenda wa chief magistrate. Kati ago amagezi gayakozesa awo ffe twategeera. Naye twagenda mu kooti ntugamba ttaka lyaffe liri kakiika. N'abajulizi baffe yali chairman LC1. N'abazeeyi baazalirwa mu 1934 Muzeeyi Thomas.
Ne be mwagulako nga weebali.
Muzeeyi Thomas, Muzeeyi Kwatotio, Samsoni, abo bali mu myaka basinga ne President Museveni emyaka. Bajja mu kooti ne banyonyola omulamuzi ne bagamba naye musajja ono tumanyi wano mu kyalo kino. Ng'aba ayagala ttaka eryo ayagala kubba abasajja abo. Naye omanyi ebya kooti nnaku zino. Ffe twamanya nti kati twakakasa nti justice is not for free. Sometimes in Uganda, justice is for money.
Some of us in Kampala, we thought that people in Mbarara, justice is not like anywhere in Uganda. Just this because mwazala omukulembeze twali tumanyi mwe muliisa buti.
Here is worse. Okulala n'ennyanja abaganda
sikulira okulira n'ennyanja.
Oli omusajja mukulu.
Yesebo.
President okuva wano ffe tubonabona nnyo okusinga nammwe aba Kampala.
Mpulira.
Owulidde so?
Mpulidde bulungi.
Obubbibwa wano bususe
kati
okubwa n'amasasi
kati saawa eno nga mumutwala ng'agende wa magistrate
n'agenda omulamuzi n'awa omusango tuyingira omusango ogwo kuva 25 27 ngaawo kati twagenda mu kooti abajulizi twaleeta abazeeyi benyini ne muzeeyi Kaguta abamanyi ne banyonyola omulamuzi sebo mulamuzi oyo ng'aba ayagala ttaka lye eriri wa Kamugungulu naye si ya Karejeya Karejeya tumumanyi wano mutaka oyo tefe tumumanyi aleeteko jaawe ajja anyonyola ensonga mu kooti kulwaki tamuleeseeko jaawe Filipo Kamugungulu kubanga ttaka lya Filipo yakireminga gwewaki taleeta Filipo Kamugungulu kati amagezi ge bakozesa ffe twabitegeera twali tuli awo nti basala omusango gwatusinze naye judgment ffe twagamba ttaka lyaffe liri kakiika seeru naye yakireminga ettaka lye liri mu ntale seeru naye judgment yenyine ya kooti egamba ti Sweetland is situated in Ntale seeru
ate eryammwe eri mu kakiika
seeru kati ne judgment ebuzaabuza waliwo ebirala bawandika kakiika waliwo wandika Ntale seeru biri bwe bityo kati najja nga talina na court order yali lumu 1st November 2010 1st November 2010 sawa 12 ngaawo nga obudde bukyawo kati bw'akukya bulungi najja n'abasirikale naye kenyini yali alina emundu yalagira n'abantu ffe tubamanyi abantu mu civilian balina enyondo balina esululu n'emundu n'abasirikale twalaba babiri ba poliisi ng'abalala tibalina uniform naye balina emundu. They were a gang of, I don't know, we call them maybe criminals. Batandika kukuba amanyumba gaffe batukusiba emikono oba gundi wange gundi my colleague was beaten and his eardrums were spoiled. Up to date, doesn't hear well. So batukuba nibamenya permanent buildings affair nibasawa wansi olusuku enkoko nali na this chicken I was dealing in this broilers and the layers dinayo farm y'enkoko n'ebintu birala by'amayumba byonna but we just left there with our clothes. So enkuba nedamu ne tukuba they demolished our houses and went away.
Bajja kumakyanga bali muleya abamu abaleya balina emundu na bikini
yes
n'ennyondo ne batandika kuba mayumba gammwe
mayumba gaffe nga tuli mu nyumba twafuluma tugamba naye kiki
ne babasiba emiguwa
tukubira chairman n'ajja n'agamba naye mugume okola biki bino n'abataka ne bayimirira bali kubamanyi ekifo mulimu emundu tewali asemberayo ffe twali tukeerayo abantu baali bakuba enduulu ne bagamba naye musajja chairman n'abuuza mugume naye okola biki bino. When you are going to execute eviction, I think you must go through proper channels. You must come with a court broker, holiday. Then they go to the chairman, because the chairman knows the area.
I see.
That's what I know according to the law.
Yes.
Because Mugume himself was commanding, he can lead you to a wrong place. And indeed, that's what happened.
So the judgment yali ya Ntale. Ate ettaka lyajja okwevictingako abantu nga liri kakiika. But he went ahead and evicted you by force. Okuva that time na demolishinga properties zammwe. Ettaka lino lyetwogerako lyenkanawa obugazi.
It's almost 1 acre. Approximately like that. Normally itaka lya town imbala itaka libali sera. Now one plot there is about almost approximately not less than 40 million or 50 million, a plot of 50 by 100. It's around almost an acre. So after doing that, we asked ourselves, if we are executing eviction order, oyinza kujasa wanga biri kumateka no jane court blocker naye tobeerawo ogenda court blocker akulembera ekintu ekyo for me I'm not a lawyer naye manyi ekintu ekyo kibeera bwe kityo. You go to the chairman kubanga abakoti bloga tibamanye before. Koti ezo kuwa naye musajja yali talina court order. Owulidde sebo?
Oba yagirina naye nga teyagibalagaako.
I'm still telling you the story. Even me, I didn't see it. But then eventually we came to know that even he didn't have the court order. Because if they give you judgment in court, what I know, there is some court proceedings. Bakubuza kutaka waliwo ki. Are there people there? If they are movable properties, you first remove them. Then tusobola kuba mu nyumba y'omuntu nga muri mu TV, muri mu radio, muri mu engoye. I don't think it's like that.
Even the action of okuba ennyumba etaliyo is illegal.
You need to tell me I remove my iron sheets.
So
I remove my bricks.
So what happened? Did you people because you told me you called the chairperson came and did you approach police or what steps kize mwateking ezaddako oluvannyuma lwa
chairman went to the police. He came with the police. Even we went ourselves to the police. We went to the region. We went to the police. They say, you go to region because this guy had already passed there. Bali bamutegera ba OC station ni bona bali bamanyi ekintu ekyo syndicate. Petwagenda wa regional to reporting emisango. Chairman naleta ba police abalala naye byona bya story. Kubanga this man is a big man. Kati omuntu enjovu izo kulwana neguni nakaguni nakamyu. Enjovu tosobola kulwana nakamyu.
Nenze ndowooza kyali badde kituufu omuntu bw'ataba mu mateeka ne bw'abeera ani kuba ne President Museveni mpulira naye ebyettaka abisolovinga mu ngeri ey'amateeka.
Yes. Naye musajja tiyakozesa amateeka naye he used his position as an army officer akolera mu PGB Presidential Guard Brigade oba SFC. Yakozesa just those powers to intimidate everyone, even the police officers.
So
these things always happen in Uganda.
Kati family zammwe n'abaana bammwe mwabatwalawa?
Until now, we had some friends who are good Samaritans, who are not even relatives, because they sympathize with us of what happened. Now, my son was very young, he said, really, is that how soldiers should behave? Now he is telling me, Dad, do you know that? I'm going to enter also army and shoot this man. He was in the P2. Gena kuingira musirikale ngambe Museveni ampe mundu ngene mkube musajja oyo masasi. That's what my son told me.
I see.
He said regarding ngena gamba Museveni ampe mundu mkube oyo musajja masasi.
So kati so ne mutandika okubeera mu b'emikwano sympathizers just.
Yes. Now from there we went also and appealed to High Court. Tunonya ba lawyer, of course, to innocent, good Samaritans advised us. Some lawyers also gave us a hand. Maybe at least they knew that to innocent. To atandika kubona abonas. People were giving us help. We went to RDC. RDC couldn't help us. By then the RDC was this man Kandole. Clement Kandole. Twakwata ebintu byaffe obutebetebe bwasigadde tukutwala eri RDC arezina tugamba ne OC station. Nibagamba tugenda baseba. And if you don't remove these things here, we are going to arrest you. These things went to newspapers, New Vision, Monitor, every newspaper, even on the TVs, NTV and Plus.
Kati mwe mutuukayo mu kifo ky'okuyambibwa abagamba mujiwano obuziina bwammwe lugenda kubasiba.
Bantu gamba RDC Kandole na OC station. Bagamba kati goti muje ebintu bino mutufaaza wano tugenda baseba. Tulaba kweli. Now where should we go? This is the RDC, who is the president.
Of course.
They represent the president here. Naye Mwami Museveni ayagala abantu be babonebone mu ggwanga lino. Even if you have your child. Oli omukulu n'ajjako omulala omugati. Omuto n'obwabeera ng'ali mu nsobi. Naye omukulu n'akuba ono omuto n'ogamba sirika kwata kano. Owulidde? So, RDC atugoba yali ayagala kutusiba tugamba ebintu, we abandoned the thing there. We had nowhere to keep them. We had no house. Omukyala wange agenda eri wagundi wa relative abaana bali wali mukwano gwange yali akolera mu university n'abatwala nange nyisigala kweyiya today. Now when we went to court, high court,
abana bo omukyala yabatwala.
Omukyala yali alizo kubatwala wa. My friend whom used to work at the university, one who was the one who stood for him on this baptism or something like that.
As someone who is a father in religion.
In religion, yeah. He's the one who took them. So they stopped the education studying because we didn't have money. And because of these arrests, I had already even lost my job at Mbarara University. Because of the I was not in the work. So you see, when you are not in work, they would abscondment something like that and everything. So
bakusiba bano ne olwokubati waliyo ku mulimo bano ne bagoba ku mulimo ab'Embala University.
Yes, I was just dismissed because of such a things. My file was every time this man could come and arrest us. Kati never arresting, you have no phone, you have not even reported to your supervisors. 3 days you're in jail, by the time you come there, you find your file. But one the same way into Binjo, everybody know what is in the workplace.
Yes.
So those are the things happening several times. They said now this man cannot work here. And of course, you know, criminal, which is not there. Allegations. Kati. Ebintu ebibabu tukola bwati RDC never helped us. We ask from ask Kandole himself. Now you are our father here. Where do you want us to go? I requested the RDC Nimugamba Kamwami Kandole to put in Nachivale refugee camp. We can get services there. My children can get education there for free by the United Nations. Because if you cannot give me where to stay, where do you want me to go?
Seriously. So a Ugandan no tuko kusaba. You reached an extent of asking the RDC to lead you to a refugee camp.
Yes, in Nachivale or Ruchinga settlement center. Fetomusaba to Amugamba kati tugendewa. Nina abana baro. They are going to become street kids here begging people. Government is fighting street kids. Now we are the one promoting this. Tukudungama the RDC tukusabye mukama wafe representative of the president tutwale in the refugee camp if we don't have where to settle us. Tubereyo maybe our children we can get some food there kaunga tuiza kafuneyo services ngabalala. Sebo musaja agamba ngenda kuleta police wano ndagire police babasibe. Now to go even we said now where do we take those chairs which are already spoiled? The few things which remained. We have nowhere to put them. If you want to put us in prison, that one is better because yes, in prison in Nichamugorani. So we had even become desperate. We said, you rather take us to prison, it is better. So after that.
Yes. Please after proceed.
So we failed to get assistance from a government who is representing the president in Uganda, here in Mbarara. Now I told my colleague, now where should we go? I thought to myself, cutting quality, I commit suicide, what do I do? Which kind of government really is this? So now when we went to court, we battled the matter in court. We asked the judge that really, when we were in court, we didn't even talk much because there were submissions from DC, from the lower court, which they were basing on the judgments. We asked this man, let him show cause that our predecessors, who is Karejea or Zambira, from 1930s, they have been staying with the Kamugungun family. Mugume captain Najana Marize Chintu. The judge looked at Mugume and said, Mugume, can you answer that question? Angaz. That is Angaz, the word which we used to use in the primary, I think.
Yes.
So the man, we knew that maybe we shall get Nani. But also there, we saw some irregularities, a lot of things in the court. That's why today I say that if you take me to court, for me I will not go to court. Because since I'm poor, I cannot manage court.
So
because of what we saw in court.
Mukoti walabanga byali bikolebwayo nabyo tebyali mu bwenkanya.
Yes, the Warimbu Kanya. We knew before the judge we would get at least some fair judgment there, something like that. But part of this judgment, at the end of it, I have it here. The judge was saying from number 16, he says that the fourth ground of appeal was to the effect that the respondents' destruction of their appellant's developments on land before execution orders was unlawful. Holiday. Then number 17 says the suit was the court. This court has perused the lower court record and has not found any execution proceedings. Although the position of the law is that an appeal is not a stay of execution. This court does not condone execution of court orders without formal execution proceedings.
Bulungi nyo.
Yes. However, this ground of appeal is rather moot and does not have any relevance to the judgment delivered on the 13th September 2010. In any case, the appellants are at liberty to pursue other remedies against the persons who destroyed their developments. That's the end of it. This is dismissed with costs. Now imagine. I was asking myself, which kind of real judge is this?
That the things were illegally done. The demolition was done outside the law.
Yes.
But proceed and mugende maso ate musasule yabawabide yabakolako ebyo bya.
Imagine that we are the liberty to pursue any other remedies against persons who destroyed our developments on the land. Now where do we go when we are before you as a judge?
Seriously, the last avenue kuanga mwaliko waradis, the last avenue was supposed to be a court. It was supposed to be a court ruling. Nti kino kyakolebwa era ne kooti n'ekiraba nti okusinziira ku bye tuzze tulaba bino byakolebwa mu bumenyi bw'amateeka nti ate mugende musasule yabibakola.
Imagine. This is real what we should be in Uganda.
But this if you say this CEO Colonel Lieutenant Mugume works with PGB or works with President Museveni in Mbarara, can't you find a way of talking to President Museveni? Temugenda nkoba mu State House oba wa.
Museveni was here yesterday in Mbarara. But how do you reach Museveni today?
Maybe you lodge a formal complaint to SFC now, or PGB or State House.
Let me tell you, we went to Mururi Mukasa in the State House. Ochimani. By then, the one Kamakumba Masko was the one in charge of presidency. Kamakumba, but she had left that office. Then there was Mururi Mukasa. We went to him and reported the matter there. Then even he wrote a letter, Office of the President. This letter was March 14, 2012. The letter says the Commandant, Land Protection Unit, Uganda Police Force, Kampala. Intervention suit over illegal eviction in Kachika Cell, Kamukusu Division, Mbarara Municipality. This is to forward a complaint addressed to me by Mr. Alinte Sam and Idrifua Robert, alleging that they were illegally evicted from their land, situated in Kachika Cell, by Lieutenant Mugume Gordon, attached to PGB in Entebbe. Copy of complaint attached. The purpose of this letter is to draw your attention to this complaint for your appropriate action. Now, you signed Wilson Mururi Mukasa. the Minister of Security also holding the portfolio of the Minister in charge of Presidency and Kampala Capital City Authority.
Did you receive any appropriate action after that
Nothing.
letter? Because the letter recommends appropriate action.
Now CC, the Inspector General of Police, CC, Chief of Defense Forces, Mr. Arini Chesam, and Idrifua Robert copied to us. Now, which officer we've not gone there? Nothing was done. We didn't get any appropriate anything now from there. Instead, they wanted to arrest us. You see, nothing was done. Now from there, we continued. I went to State House. We wrote our letter, went to State House in Nakasero, in the legal department, State House. After all the judgments from court, as I've read to you the judgment of the High Court by Matovu. Matovu is called the presiding judge was Matovu. This one was. The judge was Matovu David, the judge, High Court, who presided on our case. Now we went to State House. We said now in court we lost really a hope in court. We lost hope completely. We said now let us do this thing administratively. From the Good Samaritans, where you see the big person coming, you go there. Just we have been like that. Somebody advised us that you go to State House and report this matter in legal department in Nakasero. We went there, we wrote our document letter, and we took all these judgments of the lower court and the High Court. When we reached the State House, the in charge there is called Chichoncho. So when we reached there in the Okello House, we went there, they in fact they welcomed us very well. Then the Choncho said, you go to that lady. That lady who was handling our matter was called Tegeki Aida Tegeki. Then when we showed her all the documents, said, this thing could not happen like this. Which judge also says this again eventually. They say, which kind of judgment is this? And also he saw that we were wrongly evicted because the lower court of Borore Julius, who was the presiding magistrate on our case, said his judgment says that the sweet land is situated in Intare Sale and our land is in Kachika Sale. These are different places. So he wrote a letter to the RDC. Addressing it to RDC, they are supposed to come to Mbarara to come and solve that problem. And he gave the copies even to High Court. Mbarara, she gave a copy to the High Court in Mbarara because she saw those judgments were really, it was not proper. So when we came to the RDC, by then the RDC was Martha, Captain Martha in Mbarara. Captain Martha decided to hide from us. Omanyi olabe ekiyenje kigobe nkoko. Ekiyenje kigobe nkoko. When Martha could see us at our office there, she told the driver, you drive away. These people have come. To go nkoko. I'm sorry for that, for this guy.
No problem.
I think these people, this man who are battling with matter, is really, I believe that Captain Mugume Gordon is a big man in the State House there. So, what we did, State House Tibaja. They never came. When they reached that, it was the 16th.
Abaligo baba subizo kujembarara baba sorting that matter. They never appeared. They gave the letter. Even Philip Kamugungu was given a copy. LOC1 Kachika, blah blah. That letter. In fact, it was the 15th when they called me. They said, we are no longer coming. That's what even if they go to MTN or these calls of 16th of August, when the 16th, they print that thing, they will Bagamba Twina Mafuta. How can the president's office fail to get fuel to come to Mbarara? 2 food day. That's what they told her for 2 food day. Because if the State House has no fuel, now Omuntu Wabulijo Akolechi. Mazima.
You print that thing in MTN, where they call that now, they will print that on 15th of August. It was sawa zali zile sawa mukaga. I still remember. Omukazi yankubira simu from State House. Nagamba tulina mafuta. Nimugamba eventually nimugamba okay. Can I provide you fuel? Esimu nagisalako. Then that's marked the end of that program.
So the one of State House died there and then?
Died there and then. I went to State House with my colleague. We went there to ask what happened. Omukazi yatolaba nga tuyingira office ndavaamu navuga nagenda. So that thing died as you have said. Now I said now in Uganda who can be helped.
So from all those things you're talking about 2000 what obadde obeerawo otya mu bulamu mpaka kati?
Because I believe that I cannot talk about myself that I'm good. But people trusted me. So I used to go and do some other people's work. Maybe they call me, come and drive my lorry. Come and do this. I was a driver at the Mbara University. Some people there who knew me that I'm a very good driver, they call me and give me some work. Of course, when you have problems and you have been good to people, people also sympathize with you.
Of course.
They sympathize with you,
so,
and they have been staying.
What is happening to your children? Abaana bo bakyali ewoli eyabyeyimirira mu ddiini gye babeera?
Bagenda kweyiya. They dropped out of school. Even my daughter, another one got married, but also things I don't want to talk about that. This is very bad.
I see.
Even my colleague, yali amaze kuziika n'omukyala waawo on the same land. Even the tomb was destroyed by tractors. I don't. I'm telling you, my brother, what happened to us is not good.
So
it needs you come to the LOC and ask the Bataka in Kachika Mbarara. They will tell you how we are really traumatized and tortured.
So this time obulamu bwo bwoli bwatakuyita kuwaayo kalimo bwatakola ki?
Hey, you go and dig, someone gives you something for digging. You do just this casual work. Now what do you do?
Ogenda mu nnimiro y'omuntu n'olima eyali akola ku university.
N'olima n'okola ki mukwano. At now, you see, getting a job is also not easy.
So do you essuubi likuweddemu ku muntu yenna? Have you lost all the hope?
But let me tell you, working for all these years, and you have settled, you are with you on your land. Someone comes and erases all your property from zero. Nawe kangubule sebo sawa zino ngobo ine ebintu byoyina mutawuna wa Kampala bowa omuntu nabikujjako byonna
lumu nabitwala
where can you start from?
Mazima
oyinza okutandikira wa sawa zino
mazima
enyumba ne bagikona wansi taka ne batwala ne bakola ebintu byo byonna ne babijjawo. They erase everything. Where can you start from?
Era osigaza akuwadde kyakulya ku olwo olulala n'olaba embeera n'atambula etya.
Soko owulire sawa zino omuntu n'ajja n'akugjamu ennyumba yo n'omukyala wo n'abasula wabweru nga olina just only that, you don't have another place where to start from.
Kati
some of us, our stories are very long. Omanyi kuzaalibwa nga oweeyiya ng'omuntu. Let me tell you, this is there is my Muzee, whom I used to stay with Kasese. I want to give you small of this history. Omanyi mu government eno, some of us also participated, but we didn't know when we were young. When I was staying in Kilembe with this Muzee, he's called Chamatuku from Cape Town, Rukunjiri. Chamatuku was a prominent man, even Museveni knows him. Because he was a collaborator in the bush by 1983. I was young. So he used me. He had a grinding mill in the base camp Kasese near Margarita Hotel. You know Kasese?
Yes.
Nze nalinga mpakira that posho and beans going to the bush. 1983, 84, 85. Now I didn't. But I used to ask him, say, where is this posho where they have not paid? He said, my son, you let those things go. Eventually, after the capture, 1986, when we were staying in Kilembe, there's a long story, but I want to cut it short. President Museveni musajja yamanye, he died in 2014. Mzee Fred John Chamatuku from Cape Town. I stayed with him. I was staying within the Kilembe mines, hiding with him there. And I was the one who loading food going to the... Then Mzee told me later in 1986, after the capture, 1987, he said, my son, do you know Robert? Bwari bugenda mu nsiko waliwo pakira. We were milling, I was counting every bag of posho and beans transnight. But now what I've ended,
that's how you got paid.
In fact, I was paid this way as I'm suffering now. Please, imwenga mwizo kusobora ni musobola Museveni mugambe mwami Robert ne Mzee Chamatuku ekasese 1983 nze nali muto. I was around 12 years doing that work, sleeping in the base camp in Kasese in the grinding mill called Safi Sana Maize Mill. Up to now na Rukungiri bajimanyi. Who doesn't know Chamatuku?
Gwengagwe, you as an individual. Ono kano Mugume wa PGB boba captain Mugume wa omumanyi kochi. How what do you know? Is he a prince of the Ankole kingdom? Is he a son in the first family? What is he?
I hear that Philippo Kamugungunu's father Philippo Kamugungunu's father was called Lazaro Kamugungunu. He was a Katikiro of Gabe of Ankole, like Maiga, Peter Maiga. Katikiro Kamalabiona. The father to Philippo Kamugungunu. Now, the sister, I think one of the sisters or the relatives, I don't know, this is how they behave, I don't know. But somewhere in that racket, there is someone who produces Mugume Gordon. So Mugume Gordon calls Philippo as his uncle. And that land Mugume is claiming there, shares, is for Philippo and the sisters and what. That's why he said that Philippo's sister, who is called Betty Katana, a piece of land as a gift.
Oh, and this is how you've been paid anyway. I'm not cursing anyone on this, but I'm just telling you that after listening to you, the only thing that is remaining is the president of this country to hear. If he does not hear, it will remain to God. But our prayers are with you here at Media Choice Television.
Thank you very much.
So I will see you then. Let me try to see how let me try to also put some effort in what you have told me.
Please, I'm telling you, the law is very clear. Once you have stayed on land for a certain period of time, at least the law comes, you are not evicted like that without compensation.
Of course.
At least from 12 years, from 1994 up to 2010. Not even 94. From 1930s, people have been living on that land. We are not the first people on that land. Because Rosambira was there, the land came to Karejea. Karejea was from 1970s. Now we are there in 1984. So we have been on that land, our predecessors. We bought the interests of those people who are living there.
Yes.
So we qualify to be compensated, not to be evicted without even a court order. As
a resident of Mbarara area, is it a usual thing to evict people in that area? Do you hear stories of the same, like your own story?
I'm telling you, once you are unlucky, as you have said, twagezako kutambula office zona mululi mukasa State House where bamugemerire naye mbade nkusaba please this matter now remains to the first family Muzei Mama Janet General Sale adilizo omuntu akwate obo musawuye atuwe na kyatuwa tugende adilizo tuzimbe wala tufune wala adilizo tunafe tuzimbe batuzike eyo full stop in this world kati ani wali wagenda na chitu ani atwala chintu kyona munsi muno
tewali
at least your family mbade nsaba otusabire ku family eyo ya Museveni ne good well wishers tukwatireko at least naffe tufune okutandikira tiri abaana baffe nawe olugambenti ndi ojja kulumira wano enkoko 2 nawe wabeereawo basi tujje mu nsi wano we are not permanent here tujja kufa batuziike then we just go like that.
I'll make sure that this voice reaches well wishers who will deliver it to the first family. Kale sebo nja kuuliza mukama kuume.
Yes, kale. Amina, thank you very much. Webale nnyo.